Good morning. It is Christmas morning and it is so hectic and somehow, come on, my mother is here. Oh, he's falling asleep, right?
Yep.
Looks sleepy. Yes.
He
He loves the wrap.
Well, we are making a tofu scramble. I forgot the sausages. Oh shoot.
Mother.
I'm gonna send Gary home for them.
Might as well, it's really close.
Yeah.
And they're really good.
Yeah.
Beyond sausages.
Yeah, they're really good.
Vegan, obviously.
Yeah. Shoot, I can't believe it. Avocado toast, apple crisp with figs, some pumpkin muffins with crystallized ginger. Let me go tell him.
And we have hash browns.
So you want me to put something on top
of this? No, I just squeeze it. I just like this.
I used squashes and pumpkins and
Or Middlemarch by George Eliot. A big book. Anna Karenina.
Yeah, any big book, yeah.
Literature jokes. I'm tired. I'm like the quintessential like new mom like.
You want me to mix the tangerines and oranges?
Yes.
Yeah, but can you taste the tangerine juice first to make sure it's not too sour? I've put my dad on juicing duty because we're gonna have mimosas. These are tangerines from my neighbor's tree. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed.
That's why we're healthy.
We have a lot of things going on. When all the burners are taken up on the stove, I naturally just get stressed. And then at least he's sleeping, at least he's cozy. These are your favorite ones?
Yeah.
Nice.
I like them.
I've never had them before. Throw it on. Perfect. I'm glad you ironed it. Perfect. Oh, they don't ding very well. They sound like plastic. What the heck?
They're not plastic though.
No, they're full. That's why.
It's just because there's a lot of juice in them. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Is it Christmas?
Oh, nice red.
Ooh.
Start to collect these.
Hold it up and smile, Mom.
What size is this?
Repurposed wrapping. I love it.
I am really bad at wrapping, and Eric, I kept asking him to help me wrap, and he said no, so.
It's like what you get.
Sorry about that. I wrapped it. It's really bad.
Oh, it's so awesome. Like, have you ever thought of hanging wallpaper?
I really bad at wrapping.
Oh, it's gonna be a really cool grandpa picture, I can tell. Oh, yay!
Oh my god. That is incredible. Oh,
Did you guys get one yet?
So cute.
Eric had
From me.
Vegan chews.
Cute.
No cholesterol.
I have another one?
Open up the blue bag.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Cosmo.
My dad's gift that he got me is pretty silly. Oh, yeah.
It's not silly.
It's a silly gift.
It's very functional.
Do you want to be?
Extremely functional. So open it and find out what it is.
I already know what it is.
Yeah, but you don't really know what it is. Well, I guess you do know what it is.
Do you want to be?
We're talking about last
We
night.
talked about it last night.
90% of our conversation was about
Noses last
nasal
night.
breathing.
About
My dad's really
well,
into nasal breathing.
The
right
last
now.
art of breathing.
You gotta. I'm too tired. We're still learning how to sleep. All right. This is it's just such a big contraption. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. This is to clean your nose.
I'm scared to ask.
It's.
No, actually, Dad, you would love this
You might
too.
be into this,
You like-
honestly.
Yeah.
It's like a neti pot, but on
like-
steroids.
It's like a very intense neti pot.
It blows saline solution in one and
Right.
vacuums it out the other side.
Oh,
Clean
really?
nose, healthy life. Make good nasal
Because
hygiene your
of-
new normal.
Working all the
Merry
time.
Christmas. Closer, closer, closer. Hello.
The Mac.
Hello. Oh.
So then when you close it, you want to push it and hear it click. It just come. Keep your head up and your mouth open.
I'm so scared.
Quick, quick.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Open your mouth. Keep your mouth open. Take a breath in your mouth.
Whoa.
I don't like it.
Go for it. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
This is awful.
All done.
Way
Worst
good.
Christmas present ever.
Good job. Good job.
Ooh,
Oh, now she likes it.
I don't have a towel.
So?
They're pretty clean.
Yeah.
That was intense. In the rain.